bubbling boilers. You're right, Thomas. It was me. I have never spoken about this, Thomas. It is a very long time. Far away in my country, I was told when they needed me to work on soda, they said I could be a really useful. The ship was big. We sailed many seas over my day. Before we reached Soda, we made a stop at a small green engine and joined me on the deck. Hello. Where are you going? The Soda? We didn't speak the same language, but I could see he was excited. As we sailed into the Soda, a storm glazed. The skies darkened, the rays bright, and with one big wave, the chain hold of my wheels broke, and I was no longer held to the deck. I was in danger. I have a problem. I called to the crew, but they didn't understand me, so they did nothing to help me. And the crane lifted the excited green engine. He swore at the end of the hook and bumped it into me. I couldn't do anything, and there was no change to stop me. Splash! I slid into the sea. Luckily, I landed on a jetty, but my firebooks were soaked, and because the weather was so bad, I was left in there for the sea for a very, very long time. When I was finally lifted out, I was in a terrible mess. Yes, it was scary, but the scariest thing of all, no one understands me. I learned your language. My first word is red. Because, my friend, after they brought me to the steamworks and repaired me, I had to be repainted, and there was the color I choose, a bright new color of my bright new life on soda. Thomas. Who's Luke? Why? He was a little green engine. Thomas! Sir, I've come to meet the engine, and I haven't seen him for a very long time. His name was Luke. Hello, Luke, my friend. It's been a very long time. You don't push me, Luke. I slipped off of my boat. My wheel chain were broken. It was an accident, and it wasn't your fault. Buenos dias, Luke. Evening, Victor. Beef to get you. The day you again. That's right, my friend. That's very true. I was red, but I was painted in red once a Topham hat had me repainted. No, I stay at the steamworks, and that's where I work. Come down to visit me. You can't get a coat of paint, a polish, and a brush. You'll be a new engine. Next up, it's Mike. Real? Of course we're real. We paint bars us to put underneath your tracks. Hello down there and up there. Oh, big engines always thinks they're better than small engines. Never look a little engine. Little ones are really useful too. We got trucks to pull and make us as extra full. I never job that would do. Never overlook a little engine. We could tell where we want to go. We may have tiny trunk, but we'll get you there at back. And hold your hats, we don't go slow. Look out, Thomas! If you think it any better, that'll make you when you make a mistake. The ocean is a land like a tiny little lake. A cherry might be tastier than a great big cake, and we could turn around it half the time those big guys take. Never overlook a little engine. We have sights upon the sky. You may need a mother puff. I never know what I would try. Never overlook a little engine. Like me, like us. They may not be ready for ballast yet, though. Oh no! Not again! Me? Why me? Oh! What are you doing? Make a wish, but let go! Oh! Oh! I don't think Ryan can make sparks come out of your funnel. And you don't want bad code, Thomas. That would make you really useful. Pirates? 1, 2, 3. Go get him, Thomas!